trying to back into, I don't ever clear my browser history, so I thought if I just...
So,
and there is a veterinary hospital here in San Francisco that does offer them to their...
When I started working at Pets Unlimited in a veterinary hospital, I started getting all of these medical opinions where his stature or his coloring or his vocalizations meant that he was a Dandie Dinmont or he was a Bedlington Terrier or he was definitely a Dachshund mix. And so as I got more and more opinions from medical professionals, I decided I was going to take it into my own hands, as it were, and I gave my husband a DNA kit for the holidays as a fun way to finally put an end to it and figure out who and what he was. When we got the test results back in and we saw that his primary was a Basset Hound, so 75% of his genetic makeup was Basset, we felt like vindicated that we were right and we knew our little boy. And then he had a level 4 match with a Beagle. And so what we had kind of guessed all along was that he was this French breed, French Basset breed called a PBGB for short. And so the genetic makeup being primarily Basset with a little bit of Beagle mixed in for fun.
And his roommate and his friend Dawkins. Back in the home where he was stepped on. And they waited a while to bring Now it's time for hangout time. Do you want to guard it? You gonna be normal about it? Let's take it. She's really great for outreach, but she always insists on having. We've had him, so I feel pretty comfortable with some kind of scruffy terrier being in there. That's so good. That's good, bye.
Tickling your throat? Yeah. Good job. Breed testing gives us some information about what type of breed is in this dog, but it doesn't really give us any information as far as improving the health and life of these pets. So it's just cool trivia.
That's good. Yeah, that was great.
The less evolved a breed is genetically, the more markers in common. All of these genetic markers that have been used to create breeds are all markers that existed in the village dog population to start with. And so basically there is probably very few markers that are so genetically specific that they would could only be related to a specific breed.
And then here you see some blood samples. So we have very many different ones that we use here. The tag DNA there. Sometimes certain markers just don't. Emptying the rest back. This is what gets loaded on the machine. So for instance, the same marker we're looking at, she has a 117, 119, has a piece that's 119 base pairs long and 131 base pairs long. So its parentage